Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy out of paper full guide. Start by gathering tissue paper, glue, scissors, a skewer, and a heat source like a hairdryer. Prepare a workspace with cardboard to catch glue and trims. Tear paper into thin strips and twist or fluff to mimic sponge sugar. Use glue sparingly to hold shapes and let pieces dry fully before handling. Gather tissue paper, craft glue, a skewer, scissors, clips, and a hairdryer or lamp for gentle heat. Create color palettes and cut strips about 1 cm wide to get delicate strands that resemble sugar. Work in small batches, glue edges lightly, and twist for volume. Allow pieces to dry on a flat surface or hanger so they keep shape. Keep safety in mind with heat sources and small parts. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more projects. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to a craft table without taking much space, and voice controls keep hands glue-free. Use music to time drying intervals and set timers for perfect fluff per batch. It even plays carnival tunes to set a cotton candy mood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by layering 2 or 3 colors for depth, then cut long, thin strips and fringe them slightly to add fluff. Lightly apply glue near the core and wrap strips around the skewer, rotating steadily to build a round shape. Use the hairdryer on low to help glue set and to puff fibers, keeping a safe distance. Trim uneven bits and shape with fingers until you reach a fluffy, cotton candy look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.